I'm on my 3rd full riding season right now, and I'm still learning every single day. There's so much to learn when you get into bikes, and the good thing about kind of having that bike addiction is if you really enjoy it and you're really passionate about it, you will want to learn. Like, I go out here and I want to learn about like what's going to make me a better rider, what's going to make me a safer rider. And one thing, guys, don't be goofy and like try to be like a lot of these guys. Man, just run your dang plate. If you do something stupid, I mean, it's kind of on you, right?